Well, hello friends, Mark Martella here for the Martella Law Firm. And what I'd like to talk to you about today are the three biggest mistakes I see with do-it-yourself wills. Now, you can go to Staples or any stationery store and get a form will. There's ways you can do it online. But unfortunately, I discover the mistakes after somebody has passed. And once they've passed, we can't fix their mistakes. So the first mistake I see is with regard to the execution of a will. So some people will just write out a note and sign it at the end saying what their wishes are and think that is acceptable. Well, it is not. Here in Florida, we do not accept what are called holographic wills, meaning you just signed it yourself, put it in an envelope and said, open it up when I'm gone. That will is not enforceable, so all of your assets will pass under Florida's intestacy laws, which may not be what you like. The second big issue is people do not know what the probate laws are, and there are certain things that can be very important. First of all, one of the big mistakes people make is you can't disinherit a spouse. You may be separated from your spouse but have not filed anything, and you say, well, I'm going to create a will and leave everything to my children. That's not going to work if you're still married. The other thing is, I see sometimes someone will say, well, I leave everything to my children, but they have stepkids that they want things to go to. Maybe that's all they have are stepchildren. But a stepchild legally is not a child. And so if you put in your will just children, that is a problem. And the third big mistake I see is failure to name alternate personal representatives. Again, when you're doing something, you don't think it through. It's the first time you've done it. Again, I tell people, you can do your own appendectomy. You can research it online, but I don't recommend it. Same thing with doing something like estate planning. Again, if you don't name an alternate personal representative and the personal representative you've named is deceased, now you may have a controversy. So again, these are just three things, and I can go on and on, especially when it comes to execution, meaning not having properly signed in front of two witnesses, and even better is to have it signed before a notary, so it's called a self-proving will. These are all mistakes that people make that cause problems. Maybe their wishes are not carried out, or worst case scenario, costs a lot of extra money in the probate process. So if you have any questions, I'm happy to meet with you. We offer a complimentary confidential consultation. So give us a call at the number below, and I'll be happy to meet with you via Zoom, phone, or in person. Again, I'm Mark Martella for the Martella Law Firm. Thanks for watching.